are going to get this light come on at 500, like 1,000 mLs, and I think it stops at 500.
Okay.
It'll actually stop the machine if you don't change it. We want to look here at a picture of our reagents.
Okay.
Okay, you see.
Yeah, I don't see any reagents.
Exactly. So what you're going to do is take them and pull them out and push them back in.
Oh, you have to do that. So
yes, you have to do that.
Okay.
Right now.
Okay.
But we use recomboplastin. We're back to using recomboplastin.
What test?
PT. Recomboplastin is PT. Synthesil is calcium chloride and APTT reagent. That's what we used to call that. Okay. So now we're back in business. We arrow back and we can see all of our reagents here that the machine is ready. Okay. And these are the two important ones, factor diluent and clean B diluted. So as long as you have that, you're in business.
Okay. So
are you close enough to that?
Yes, this has an explanation. Okay, it's flashing, and this is on the ACL. TOP. Okay, so we got to find out why it's flashing. So go ahead and press it. And
didn't I just tell you clean the waste drawer?
Close. All you got to do is say close when this comes up.
Right, but it's telling you an activity is overdue. And that's what we're going to do.
Is overdue.
Right. I'm going to tell you to take out 1 ml of diluent and then pour the rest of the diluent into the lyophilized QC.
So now we have a red exclamation, and what is that for?
It's mad because you opened up the waste door.
Oh, it's bad because I opened up the waste
door.
So all I got to do is click on it.
And it says cuvette waste drawer missing.
Oh, okay, but that's not true.
Right.
Okay.
So we go into maintenance. And since this is weekly maintenance.
Weekly maintenance.
So it says I'm focusing, which is the blue box, on clean cuvette waste drawer. And I'm going to press the running man because he does all the work.
Okay, let him run.
There he is. He says perform the maintenance work first, then press OK. And we put our name as the person who did the work in the box, okay?
What's your name?
Is one more part of weekly maintenance. Okay, that is deep clean, deep wash and clean cup area.
The wash and cup clean area.
So for us to do that, we're going to press the running man, but we're not going to press him back again until we finish our job. We'll be able to open up the machine. This is the only way the machine is open. Okay? So who do we tell to do the work?
Who do we tell to do the work?
Who does? The running man does the work.
Okay. And now it says okay here.
Right. No. Don't touch that until after we do the work. Okay. So I move this probe.
Oh, you move?
I move it over so I can work better over here.
What did you move over? The probe? That's the probe.
Right. That's one of the probes that got to get washed.
Okay. All right.
And that's the other one.
Okay.
Okay. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to clean that clear flat.
Okay. You're going to clean that with
clear
alcohol.
Flat. Yeah, these are wipes.
Okay.
You know, I like everything to be really nice, but it's not going to stay like this. When you wipe it off, when you're in here, you can clean anything off.
Okay.
So I'm just dusting down from some of the crumbs that are around here.
Okay.
And I'm wiping off, but I definitely clean this platen. Okay. And I do go in here and do other cleaning, but it's just cleaning.
Okay.
Is it here?
Okay.
Just make sure it's kind of clean.
Okay.
And one thing, I look inside, you'll see little black things. Those are the piercings.
Okay.
And they sometimes come off. If it's dirty in here, you know, I do clean it. I would take a little piece of, a bit of bleach on my little tip here and clean something out.
Okay.
But you're just drying this because if you watch the probe, it measures from there. And everything is measured. The volume of your tube, the volume of reagents. Okay. Every time you put them on, it goes to measure them. Okay. And then it tells how much is there. And that's how its mind knows its reagent level. Okay. And the last thing we want to do here, of course we want to dust. But what we want to do is wipe this along here. And what I'm doing here now, you can't see, but I'm cleaning underneath this. I clean under there. I've cleaned here. I've wiped everything off.
So when you cleaned under here?
Exactly.
Okay.
I don't want to tell you to put your finger there. The probe is there, and it's extremely sharp.
Oh.
It's under here. You can feel it if you put. It's like a well, a little well in there.
Okay.
Blood splashes up in there, so that's why I'm cleaning.
But you didn't lift that up to clean it, or you did lift it?
Yes, I did.
Oh, you did lift it.
I don't want to get stuck by that.
Okay, so yeah. Okay, so I'm cleaning that. Okay.
And that this is nice and dry and clean, and this is all wiped off. That's pretty much all you're gonna do here. I wipe off the table. I can show you what they do. It's something that you can't see unless the machine is open. It's the CTS filter, and what you would do is use this to pick up
any dirt that's in there.
No, you're pulling out. You're trying to catch hold of the filter in there, but I've got a little thumb, and it just goes in and pulls it out. This is your CTS filter.
Okay.
And it is cleaned it's changed every 5,000 piercings.
Oh, okay.
So the machine adds up the piercings.
Okay.
But we don't do anything with it except we put it back in there and let's make sure that it knows.
Will the machine tell us?
Yes, it does record it, and there is a number by it. It's in maintenance.
Okay.
And there's a number by it. What machine?